What's up, guys? We're here at the 50th annual Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Just check it out. The line to go inside. That's a really nice 240. Hey! 2 horsepower! 2 manpower! I like how they have to roll it around. Ooh. So clean. Crush. What? Candy.
That's definitely something we're looking for.
Nice.
We're just looking.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yet, been like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Vincent, what are you doing?
Stock
how did you get around? Oh, look at all the scrapes. Wow. That suspension though. Actually, yeah, I do wonder. Look at that. There's a gun
hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud because we just want attention.
Sad, dude.
From a fake medium.
Johnny's Pro Skater! Ah, sick. Okay. I think this is the best spot. Kids love playing with each other, even though like, some of them are terrible and mean and steal other people's cars, but they learn. It's nice. Have fun. Wait, Vincent, wait. Wait. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Let her pull it. Let her pull it. Let her pull it. You're taking pictures of cars. Which one? I think this one's cool. The blue one. The Subaru. That girl. I think this Jeep is probably my favorite one here, besides the little one that's a tub. You have freaking machine guns here. How do you not like that? Also, for some reason, there's brakes in the middle of the car. It's like right there. Hold on, let me check this out. Oh wow, but what does it stop? Mine. No, mine. Dude, this is sick. You like maybe makes it work?
And at this point,
What's that?
what's your
Ah. Ah.